Today we're going to start on a program called ABC Mouse. This is usually our Thursday or Friday activity during the week that I see you all. So the first thing that you're going to do is you're going to change it to your class to make it easier to find yourself. Because right now we have all kindergarten, first, and second graders all together, and that's too many to go to. So you can click here and find your teacher's name and click on it, and then you will only see a few names. Now I'm going to go to my account, which is not in a class, and I'm going to find my name and click on it. I cannot click on anybody else's name. If I do, then I'm going to have to sit out on the carpet because that is against our rules to be playing as someone else. I'm going to click on my name, and I'm going to see lots of cool things, but right now I want you to go to your learning path. So we're going to click on the mouse with his little safari hat on up here in the top left corner. So when it comes up, here's my learning path. If I am in kindergarten, I'm going to be in the deciduous forest. If I am in first grade, it's going to pull me up to the Pacific Islands that looks like this. So I have 3 activities here if I'm a kindergartner to do. If I am a first grader, I've got a video to start with. So I'm going to click on it. And then it's going to be a video that I watch. And I'm going to watch the whole thing all the way through. When it gets to the end of the video, it's going to give you some tickets, usually. But this one, for some reason, I didn't earn any tickets, probably because I skipped through it for you. But you will earn tickets, and then you're going to click the blue continue button. Once you finish that activity, then your person is going to move on to the next circle, and now you have a painting activity to do. So with my painting activities, I have different colors here, and I can even pick more specific colors if I don't see something up here that I want. I have some different tools. I like the color fill because I can just click and it fills it up. The other one that is easiest to do is within the lines. That means if I actually want to color it, it will just stay, it won't get outside the lines and be exactly where I want it to be. When I am finished coloring, I click the little blue button again where it says done. Not going to worry about this box that pops up. I'm getting my tickets. And then I'm going to click the blue button again to continue. And then it will take me on to my next activity, which looks like an ABC cutout puzzle. So I played on ahead just a little bit, and I got to a present. When I get to a present, it says I get to choose my prize, and I will also receive 20 tickets. So I get to decide which one of these I want. I think I'll take the fairy here. So I'm going to click on it, and then I'm going to click the little button that says submit in the bottom. That means it's going to take my answer that I put in of what I wanted. Then my tickets are going to pop out and my prize, and I'm going to continue. And then she keeps moving on. If I get all the way to the very end, then she's going to move on into a whole new world for me to continue playing. When it's time to go, we're going to click this little white head right over here. And we're going to say, yes, we want to log out. We don't want anybody else getting in our account and playing as us. So we're going to log ourselves out, and then we'll continue playing next time that I see you all.